Good evening.
Hi, how are you?
Yes, a bit tired, but okay.
You tired today?
Yes, I'm wake up really early, around 5 a.m.
Okay. Yes. Today, I think that we're gonna learn with foreign teacher, but I don't see her.
Mm,
But we can wait about 5 minutes, okay, 2 to 3 minutes. If she don't come to the class, we will start. Okay.
yes. Okay.
Yes. Today we just practice speaking, yes. But if she don't come, if she doesn't come, so I think that we're gonna have some kind of interview about the job.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Maybe she come right now. Yeah, she'll come right now. Okay, that's good. Okay, so are there any special today?
No, actually,
No, or you just working, right? Just working.
yes, I'm just working. I'm start working at
Oh.
6. So
Ah.
I'm usually wake up like 5 or 5:30.
Yes. Yeah.
That's why I'm very tired.
Ah, okay.
Like around,
But did you eat anything? Did you eat anything?
yes, yes, of course.
Yes. Okay, that's good. Yeah. So it's too late, right? Yes. But do you have any days off on Thursday? Because on Thursday it's Thanksgiving Day. Thanksgiving.
Yes, yes, we
Yes.
have. I think uh, it's Thursday. I think it's Friday and Saturday. Maybe my company. Yes, because that Thursday we are Fridays.
Uh-huh.
Yes, so I think I would have a day off. 2 day off. two
Oh,
days
today.
off. Yes.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi, miss. Okay.
Hello. Good evening.
Hello, good evening. Yeah, it's been long.
Yes. I hope
Yeah.
you are. Are you feel better?
Yeah, thank you so much. I don't know what happened. There's this, I guess it's an insect bite.
Mm.
Yeah. So how
But
are
yes.
you?
Yes, a bit tired today, but I'm great. Yes.
Yeah, so that's nice. At least you're still great. That's the positivity. Even though how tired you are still feeling great. So yeah, that's so nice. Okay, so before we start, let me share first my screen. Hello, Miss.
Yes.
No,
How
good
are you
evening.
today? How are you today?
I'm good. Thank you so much for asking.
Okay, that's good. Yes.
Thank you. Yeah. So tonight you are doing workshop too, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's enjoy another time together. So it's been long, so let me hide this first. Okay. So yeah. So just tell me whenever you are ready to start, and we are going to start.
Yes.
Okay. So how's your work? Is it doing great?
I work. Yes, I just moved to the new team, and yes, I have a lot on the last week because we have to get to know the process of the new team. But yeah, we started to use this and we start a normal work lot for
So
today.
you're moving from one team to another.
Yes, yes.
So you are currently adjusting, right?
Yes, I
Yeah. Yeah. So how do you find it? Like how
no,
it feels?
it's still the same company. It's just my
Yeah, it's the
company.
same.
Yes, yes, it's my company. Transitions some of designer to a new team.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. So, but you are having new members in your team right now, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
We are just know each other's like a week.
Oh, a week.
Yes.
So it must be tough, but I know you can do it.
Yes, yes. I hope
Yeah.
so.
Okay, so so much for that. I'm happy that you are positively adapting and adjusting to your new team right now, although are dealing with different people now, but I know that you can just do it
Yes.
positively. Yeah, okay. So to start tonight, we are going to talk about three situations. And first is the situation which talks about expanding the business. And the second one is what went wrong.
Yes.
And the next one is when there's a problem, so there's just like you, when there are some changes, so there's like things that we do in order to survive it, right? So our third situation talks about how to win back market share. Okay, so first is expanding the business. So I know that you have been working in different companies already, both
Yes.
from on-site reporting to duty to now enjoying working from home.
Yes.
Yeah, so I know that you have been dealing with different types of businesses, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I know that you can relate to this situation. So here's the situation. So here's a small restaurant called Sunshine, which is owned by Michelle Farrell. So the restaurant is popular with locals. At the moment, it makes a small profit. So although it's small, but it's so popular in the vicinity or in the parameter of the locals. So Mr. Farrell, the owner, wants to have a discussion with his staff to look at the information about the restaurant and give advice on how to increase profits. Although they are not having any problem with their operations, like they are earning. It's not just because they are popular in their local area. So Mr. Farrell, being the owner, have seen the opportunity. So now, here's your task. So since you are alone in this task, so
Yes.
you are going to do most of the things. Okay, so
Okay.
first is, yeah, so you can share with me, you can brainstorm with me, but you have roles to play.
Yeah.
So you have to agree on any changes to be made, then you have to agree on the type and selling price of any merchandise you are going to choose in order to sell to add up to your current products in the restaurant. So
Yes.
my role as a teacher is I'm just only gonna lead the meeting and ask you questions for clarity and listen. So that's how I should play tonight. So I'll just let you do this task and
Yeah.
I'll make the final decision. So you will be playing as the business consultant,
Yes.
then the Do you want to do it all, or do you want me to play the head of marketing department? Oh,
Yes,
this.
maybe you can help me with take
Okay,
the task.
okay, okay. So marketing plan. So I will do this, and you are going to do the business consultant roles.
Yes.
Okay. So just tell me whenever you're ready, so we can start.
Uh, yes.
Okay.
Mm, a few ways to improve the profits. Profits. Yeah, it's a difficult task for me. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, it's a
Yeah.
difficult actually.
Yes, I'm not a person like good at business.
Yeah, so you are more like in an artworks, right?
Yes.
Like you are like designing things.
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
Yes,
So, but
you can
just
try.
give it a try.
Um, yes. So maybe yeah, that's up to you. Trending. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can have a few ways to improve profits. Mm, so the first one, I think we can try add up a trading meal for temporary menu. Like if in our local or in the internet they have some trading drinks, trading street food, so we can add up it on the menu, so we can attract more like young people to visit to the restaurants. Yes, the first one. Also, the second one, we can create a combo meal with drinks.
Combo
So
meal.
yeah, so yeah, um, it will attract more people, like the office people, to come to the restaurant to have lunch. First,
Mm-hmm.
at the evening, we share the original price, and quite like a high price. So we can try a combo meal with affordable price.
Okay.
And the third one is we can have a discount on holidays, or maybe we can give free drinks on holidays to, yes, to attract customer to come during holidays. Yeah, it's my three ways to improve profits. Yes. What do you think about this?
Okay, so thank you so much to our business consultant tonight. So you have a very interesting and great idea about some of the things that we can do in order to improve our profits. And as head of the marketing department, I highly appreciate and commend your suggestions. So
Yeah.
in my part, on my end, in terms of marketing, so all of the things that you have said, you have included a targeted people, a targeted clients for
Yeah.
us, for youth, for the working people, and especially people during holiday seasons.
Yes.
So I guess all of this wonderful idea wouldn't be useful or would not get its maximum opportunity if not launched properly. So in the marketing department, I suggest that we should um launch it on the net. Like we need to put these things online, especially the one that you have suggested for the youth people, for the young people. Young people are always in the internet, right? So in
Yes.
order for them to be aware of what we are adding into our menu, so I
Yes.
suggest we focus and we develop more strategies in launching this ADS online. So
Uh,
what do you think about that? Is
mm,
that fine with you
yes.
guys?
Oh,
Uh,
it's a great idea. Yes. Also, yeah, we can. Yes, we can promote these the new news on internet and right now. I know that um, young people they prefer to use like TikTok or they still use Facebook, but I know that they use TikTok like
yeah. So with
yeah,
that, I
like
also
they
think
mainly use TikTok. Yes, so we can create some short videos to introduce our
true.
news. Yes, and introduce or discount holiday as well. So we don't need to yes we don't need to create the combo meals. Um, yes, we can focus only on the training meals and giving discount or free drinks on holiday is sorry are yes giving free drinks on holidays are um I think are
Being
enough.
attract.
Yes, are enough to attract young people to come. Yes.
Yeah, that's so nice. And also, I guess we should also invite influencers to
Yes.
come and visit our store and dine in for free because with that, we no longer have to pay for expensive ads on the internet, right?
Yes. Yes.
So
That's
we
a
only
great.
have to provide food for them and
Yes.
they'll do their work. Yeah. So,
Yes.
yeah,
That's a great
it feels like we are truly in this business.
idea.
How was it being a business consultant?
is is
Are you seeing yourself be
yes.
one someday?
No, no. I don't want to be like a business consultant. It's like too stressful for me
Yeah.
because
But
it's very
aren't you planning about building your own business someday?
uh no just maybe just myself like a small business like I can work as a freelancer.
True. That should be nice. Yeah, that's nice. So these are things that we may be able to know, but there are really these things in life which are we know that we are capable of, but we know that we are not happy to do it, right? Yeah. So it feels different to be working in a field where your passion counts.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
I'm prefer to follow my passion more than you know. I also know my capabilities. Um,
Yeah.
which it which is should be best.
Yeah. So that's nice. Actually, um, I really also wanna work just like you, like working from the comfort of home. But yeah, like in your case, it's possible because your job is paying that much to sustain your needs, right? So, but anyway, let's
Yes.
proceed to the next one. So the next one is this is a company. So from the last time, we had a smooth sailing company. So it flows and it operates smoothly. It just needed to improve or add more products to earn more, but there's nothing wrong with it. But here on the next situation, it is a company that um has that is having a problem.
Yes.
So this time you are now working for a computer company, so which is
Mm-hmm.
somehow related to your work because you're always on computer. Yeah, but it's dealing with different things because you are more like on designing things in the computer, not actually selling computers. Okay, so now this computer company is called KPC, and your company recently worked on an IT project for Lane Company. They wanted KPC to supply new computers for their headquarters. Your boss wants to know why the project finished a month late and was over the budget. So there are two problems in this situation. What are those? What are the two problems that we are facing right now in your company?
Um, Sorry,
And then it's sorry, sorry.
because my husband is making so much noise. I can't hear you.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let me
Try
repeat it.
to
Fine,
catch.
it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so in this situation, we are dealing with two problems.
Yes.
So yeah, so that's what I was asking a while ago. So can you tell us those
Mm,
two problems that
okay. So
this company is dealing?
yes, those two problems that the project is finished a month late and it was over budget.
Okay, so it was over the budget,
Yeah.
then was finished a month late. So
Yeah.
now you have to discuss. I'll just listen to you because you are alone in this loop. So I will be accompanying you, but I'll only listen to you. You have to explain the problems and give some possible solutions. But here are more additional rules for us both. Okay, so I'll act as a chairperson, so the same role I had played. So I just need to lead you into the meeting and ask you questions to clarify, listen, and make the final decision. So this time you have to be the purchasing manager. I'll
Yes.
be the production manager. Then you become the business consultant at the end. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so just tell me whenever you're ready so we can start again.
They were the supplier or is supplier.
Yeah, so that's me, the production manager. So,
You need to
oh, do you
reference.
want to exchange positions or exchange roles? Do you want to be the production manager and I'll be the purchasing manager?
Yes. Yeah. That's
Okay, so let me start it. So just tell me whenever you're ready so I can start. So you are the production manager.
yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I just think about the solutions, like
Okay.
the way where they buy the suppliers, the,
Yeah, sure.
where they
Sure.
contact the supplier, right? But yeah,
Yeah.
okay, I got this. So you can start.
Okay. So my respect to everyone present. So, as the purchasing manager, I ask an apology for everyone for the problem that we are facing right now in the company. So, as a purchasing manager, I want to share to everyone that this happened due to the some delivery problems. Lots of our computers get damaged during the delivery.
Mm,
So I guess on our end, in the purchasing team, I suggest that next time we should change our shippers. Like we should change our shipping company, our partner shipping company, because this partner that we are having right now is not really taking care of the goods that we are letting them ship. Okay, so I guess it's better if we find another shipping company that's really doing its work.
yeah.
So yeah, that's on our end in the purchasing team. What about you guys?
Mm, yes. Okay. Thank you. As a production manager, I would like to apologize. Because the supplier of our company sort of raised the price of some computer parts, and is affect us too. So I have to deal the price with them in 1 week, 1 week, and also at that time I looking for a new supplier that have a good price, and yes, we find two suppliers, and um, we start to deal the we start to deal the contract with them during this week, and it's a finished project price. So um
Yeah, yeah.
and we deal with them with the better price, and we got a new contract with the new supplier with the new supplier. That's why
Oh, so
we
that's for the next project, right?
yeah. So that's why we are 2 weeks later with the deadlines. But yes, we are solving these problems.
Oh,
Um,
yeah.
yes. What do you think? So I'm being the business consultant.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, wow, um that good to know that the problem that we are facing. I appreciate that you guys transparencies about this, and also giving the solutions. Yes. Um, yes, I think that both solutions are good. We
Yeah.
should, yes, we should follow that, and we should process this as soon as possible. Yes, and also we need to make the contract more clearly and more careful to avoid the problem that the supplier will raise the price anytime like this. We may deal with them that um, we need a stable price for at least 1 or 2 years, so we can sign the contract with them in the longer future, or in the
Yeah.
time. Yes.
In the long run. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, so that's nice. So, yeah, I like the idea of like having a contract for no price change for a year or two because it's so hard, right? Like if you're having a business and you already deal with your client, you already dealt with your client, then you have already given your price on the services or any products that you are you are selling, then comes a problem that your supplier is like raising the price of it. So it's really like headache, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so yeah,
Uh,
that's so nice.
yes,
So
because I heard that my company had to deal like the contract with many suppliers in every years. Like they have to deal the contract, update
oh
the price every
yeah,
years. Yes, and mostly they are win. Mostly the price cheaper. So yes,
yeah.
I don't know how they do that, but they just update us about that.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. So it seems like even if you are not in business, but it seems like you're already you are already very knowledgeable of the things that the business have been doing.
Yeah, just
Yeah,
yeah,
you have like
just
a
listen to them. Yes.
yeah, like you have plenty of ideas about problems, like situations like this. You just came up with lots of ideas about solutions and how to solve problems. So I guess you may not be in the business, but you are knowledgeable enough to do business.
Hope so. Because yes.
Yeah. Okay, so for the last situation, we have to win back market share. So in this situation, uh, you work for Manatee company that makes bicycles. Manatee. Yeah, at the moment, competitors are reducing your market share. You need to decide how to make the company more competitive. So this one, you are dealing with competition.
Yes.
So now during the discussion, you should list out companies' weaknesses. You list down our weaknesses, then suggest solutions.
Yeah.
So look at the instruction. So market research, customers' comments for our company. The bikes are very expensive. Second comment from a client, I wanted to buy a Manatee bike, but they don't export to Canada, where I live. Chinese companies export cheaper bikes.
Yes.
The bikes are very good quality. They are made by hand. Okay, so this is among the four comments that we have right now. Only one is positive. Okay,
Yeah.
so number five, I wanted to buy a Manatee bike on the internet, but they don't have a website. That's
Yeah.
another problem. Next is the Olympic Committee recommend these bikes. So now
Mhm.
you have another positive one. It takes 2 weeks to make a bike. Vintage bikes can produce handmade bikes in 3 days. Yeah, so it's taking longer for the bikes to be like manufactured because it is handmade.
Yes.
Yeah. So now here's your task. Your task is um business consultant.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, then I'll be the market research team leader. Then again, our business consultant again.
Yes.
Okay, so just tell me whenever you're ready and I'll let you know about it. I mean, I'll just
Yeah.
listen and talk to. Yeah.
Okay. Can we back to the comment so
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah, yeah, sure.
I can have some idea?
Yeah, yeah, sure. So that's fine.
Uh-huh. Okay. What we can, yeah, try to. Chưa. Oh, yes, I have a few ideas. Yes, so we can start.
Okay. Okay, so
Yes.
to start, you
Mm,
may start suggesting possible solutions.
okay, so hi guys. As a result of the as a result of the I forget the word.
According to research, what?
Yes, maybe like the results of yes, as the
Yeah,
results of the the final report as a result of
yeah,
because these years. Yes. So I see that we are losing the percentage of the market. We have a lot of new competitors, which is from China and other countries. So yeah,
yeah,
um, so I suggest a few ways to to win back our market.
yeah,
So compared to our competitors, such as the like China company, so we can rebranding brand as a high end bike. Yes, because we have the we have the we have a really high quality bike, and we are create it handmade. So it's really a unique selling point for our product. Yes. So I think we brand our branding as a high-end brand. We increase the price of the price and also the profits of the product, but also we reach to uh, like a high spending customer.
high, high
High
spending class.
spend, yeah, a high spend
Uh,
customers.
okay,
Yes. Also, I heard the news that the Olympics suggest or buys um to use for the 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 com the compete, right? So I suggest we can sponsor for a biker team of our
yeah,
country to the Olympic. so they can make the big impact to the budget things.
Yeah.
Yes. And of course, to do all of that, we need to create a website, and you need to create a website to customer easily to access
To
to
find us online,
yeah
yeah.
to find yes to find us online, and also we can promote our product on the website, and
Yeah.
uh, we can communicate, or we can communicate our brand voice through the social media and through our website as well.
Yeah.
Yes. What do you guys think?
Okay. So I have seen and I have heard that you have really like highlighted the all of the things that we need to have improvement with. So in the market research team, so as a leader, I have read about the client's comments and suggestions online, and I can say that the production team has a lot of work to do since we don't have any problem with the quality of our bikes. So I mean the operations team, the operation team has things to do. The production team is our strength because they are producing good quality bikes. We just need to improve more on the speed of the production team, or like we can add more people in the production team to produce more bikes in specific in a week, so we can like compete with the 3 days production of other companies.
Yeah.
And yeah, so the internet has also been voicing out about not having a website and our bikes compared with some cheaper options from Chinese company. So I guess another team in our company needs to work as the marketing team. So I guess people should know that our bikes are different from what the Chinese market, our Chinese companies are offering. Yeah, so although um we gain so much appreciation online and commendations online because we are recommended by the Olympic team or committee. But I guess we have to work more on letting the clients know that these bikes aren't affordable because it has brand,
Yeah.
it's of good quality. People should know that because if they knew it, if they recognize it, I guess the price won't matter to them. Yeah, and I like the the suggestion of business consultant A here that we have to like sponsor a team. So that may help. That may really be a big help to the marketing team. So as far uh as far as with all the departments concerned, so I guess the production, the marketing team, these are our weaknesses at the moment. So I guess you guys have to really work your ass off to win back our market share. And for the production team, congratulations. And I guess the operations team needs to like add more people in your team for yeah. So what are you thinking from the business consultant team?
Yes, yes. Uh, you pointing out the you pointing out the, the, the right problems. Yes,
Yeah.
and I I appreciate your suggestion.
Yeah.
Details is detailed, and yes, we can plan ahead with this. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So we can work with the marketing team to produce a new website. Yes, and a new
Yeah.
website will help us to communicate with the clients more clearly about our products and also about the quality of products as well. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So thank you so much. So yeah, I guess after this class, we are going to become business owner
Oh my God.
only if we are having the capitals.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. So those are the situations for tonight's lesson, but still we have like 14 minutes, so we can talk more about some things, some latest things about you and me. So
Yes.
let me first close my sharing. Okay. So yeah. So I'll stop sharing.
Mhm.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So
Oh, I
yeah.
noticed that are you in a new home?
Oh yeah. So that's a very clear vision. Yeah, I apart from being sick, I was also very busy transferring because like after that incident, after because it's a worst insect bite, it feels like I'm having a flu for a week. Then
Yeah.
yeah, things have been swollen in my thigh and it's kind of big. Yeah,
Oh,
and it has a lot.
so you are, so you got accident by bike, a motorbike.
No, 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 no. Insect bite.
Insect, an insect bite you.
Yeah,
Oh,
insect.
really?
Yeah, insect bite. It's like really my thigh is swollen and I'm feeling like having a flu. I have fever. I yeah, like I have yeah. And my head, it's really aching. Then yeah, so after when I feel like a little lighter, so I moved out from my last apartment and find a new place because I guess it's really the apartment that I have been staying. So
Oh,
now yeah, although it's still in Yabi district, but it's
yeah.
um kind of much better.
Yes, yes. Yeah, it's really weird that because I never experienced that that
You
we have an
haven't,
insect that bite, but it's like it's worse. Yes, I
no,
didn't know that. But yeah, like if you move to the higher place, so
yeah,
it's with less insects to your home.
yeah, so now I'm like uh staying like 5 meters. No, maybe 1 kilometer away from where I stayed before.
Mm,
So yeah. What
yeah.
about you? What's new in your life? Like it's been a month, I guess, since we
Yes.
last talked. Yeah. So how about your baby,
And yes,
your
she is
daughter?
washing the dishes. So it's quite amazing. Yes. My baby as she starts to walking, like
Oh,
yeah,
she starts to walk,
yeah, she starts to walk, but she still need the support, like like
like
uh,
like the carrier something.
no, it's like I don't know how to say that.
Walker? Is that a
Yeah, it's
walker?
like a worker.
Yeah, a walker.
Yes, it's like a worker, but she have to push it.
Oh, but yeah, that's a development. So that's I guess the first walk of babies are what mothers or parents have been waiting about.
Yes, I am. I'm
It's much
really
awaited.
yes, I'm really like excited for that. But she still not have the first one yet. She just like
Ah,
just
pushing
can,
something.
yeah, pushing something and can be, can stand alone for like
Oh,
10 or 5 seconds, something like
oh,
that. Yes, and she's 15 months old right now, so I'm quite, you know, I'm
it's
quite
kind of
worried
new.
about that. Yes, because most the baby they are came walking around like 12,
12
13.
weeks?
Yes, but actually yes, the baby can walk from 10 to 18 months.
Oh, so she still has 3 months.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, I guess that's not much of a concern. I mean, like she still has 3 weeks, and just don't worry.
I hope
Yeah,
so.
maybe she's just afraid for now.
Yes, yes, we can feel that she's just afraid and she yes, kind of lazy to walk, like she wants to lean on everyone. She just wants
Yeah.
to hold,
Yeah.
and she wants
Maybe
to everyone to, like she wants to want me and her grandmother to hold her to everywhere to come there as fast as possible.
oh,
That's the things we want. We know that. So we really try to get her excited to walk.
oh yeah. But that's nice also because yeah, you will never know, right? I
Yes.
Yeah, like it's nice that like you are very knowledgeable of the things that you have to do for her. So because prevention is better than cure, right?
Mm, prevention?
Yeah. Prevention is better than cure. Like it's it's like it's um if we are going to put it in like vices like smoking, so not smoking is better
Uh,
than curing for the effects of it. Yeah,
right, right.
yeah.
Okay, I got it.
Prevention is better than cure.
Yeah. Okay, okay. I
Yeah.
was just for that. I was just for that because maybe I'm not fully
Yeah,
understand
yeah,
that.
that's nice. Actually, I'll check that. I'll check that.
Okay.
Uh, that's actually very common, especially for clinics. Uh, Prevention, this phrase is better than cure. Most hospitals uses
Oh,
this phrase. Yeah, prevention is better than cure.
yeah.
So
Okay. Yeah, I know the meaning of the prevention. So yes, I
yeah,
just the core meaning.
yeah, the code. Yeah, 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 yeah. So most hospitals have it because they always push that you should take care of your health. You no longer have to visit hospitals, especially public hospitals. But for private, they will be happily welcoming people, patients, right? But for public hospitals, like they'll be yelling.
Oh, yeah. So it was my husband, like because my daughter sleep early today. Yes, so I
Oh,
had to go to the living room to study. That's
it's fine.
why
No worries.
yes, it's quite noisy, and I really can hear you. I can't hear you clearly.
I'm sorry. Okay. So, like, if you are not comfortable anymore, so although we still have 5 minutes left,
Yes,
so if you are finding it hard to like hear me, so we can end if you want to.
yes.
Yeah. So thank you so much for tonight, and I hope to talk with you more again soon.
Yes, yeah. So see you on the next lesson, guys.
Yeah. See you.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Okay, take a good rest. Bye. See you.
Bye bye. Good
Bye.
rest. Yeah.
Bye. Goodbye. Ủa mình học tiếng
Bye.
Yes, okay,
Bye.
goodbye. Miss, on Thursday we continue with the workshop 3.
Dạ đúng
Yes,
đúng. Yes, yes.
yes, that's right. That's right. Okay.
Yeah, see you
Thank you
guys.
so much.
Thank
Thank you so
you. Bye
much.
bye.
Okay. Goodbye. See you.
See you.